Hey guys, how's it going? So today is going to be my unfurnished apartment tour. So I did tell you guys that I moved, so here it goes. So I am actually located in Brooklyn, New York now, so it's kind of exciting. I'm here all the time. You guys see me, I'm here all the time. So I finally made the official move here, so I want to show you guys what the apartment looks like. It's a mess in here, but I figured that today will be good to show you guys because by the time next week rolls around, it'll be furnished. So I'll just shoot another furnished apartment tour next week. So guys, let's get started. All right guys, so starting off, this is our door. So we do have an intercom system. So if somebody wants to come in, we can actually see them on the screen and buzz them in, which is awesome. And you can actually see what's going on outside, which is really nosy, but that's cool. So this is the kind of living room slash dining room area. It's supposed to be. Now, one thing I want to mention to you guys, if you're trying to move into a one bedroom out here, your living room space is non-existent really. You're really going to have to live like really small and tight. So we opted for the 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom, which gave us just what we needed. So let me start off with the bathroom so I can show you guys what the bathroom looks like. So this bathroom is actually astronomically large. We're like at least 20 people can fit in here. 10, maybe 5 can fit in the shower and the rest of them can fit out here. That's how big it is. I'm gonna close the door so you guys can kind of get an idea, but it's huge. So this is the toilet. So the toilet is one of those like, yeah, buzz and hit toilets, which is kind of cool. I did put some Bath and Body Works candles in here, the flannel scent, and I did get this awesomely cute thing from Forever 21. Super duper cute. Just put it in the bathroom from some style. I thought that was cute. So moving over, I do have a trash that I got in both bathrooms from Bed Bath. Where is it from? No, I don't remember. Anyways, so this is the mirror, really cute. It does have shelving on the back. 1, 2, 3. Don't have anything in there now because we have not lived here yet. We haven't moved like completely yet. We haven't slept here. Did get this as well too. So we have like a lot of work to do, but I'm gonna show you guys the base. So this is the tub. I love this. This is so cool. I'm probably gonna get one of those little things here that you can actually bring the soap in with you. But I do have a 3-tier stand-up thing right here, which will do the soaps, toothpaste, mouthwash, extra towels, probably cotton balls and stuff like that, tampons, things like that. But you can see right here, look, I can even put something else there. That's how big this is. We do have like a little laundry bin right here, so we can put our dirty laundry and this nice, comfy, soft little mat that we got here. But like I said, I do have some more stuff. I want to put some prints on the wall. I want to do some fun things. You could take a bathtub in here. You can just do a stand-up shower. It's really deep, so you definitely can. That's actually, it's actually really deep, so that's cool. So yeah, so that's the bathroom. It's super huge. Like I said, a lot of people can fit in here, which I love. Not saying that a lot of people are gonna come in here. Yeah, shut up, Dom. Okay, so we're gonna move over to the next room. So the next room, there's a whole bunch of stuff on the floor, so I'm not even gonna cross over. I'm gonna turn around. So we're gonna come back to the kitchen. I'll talk to you guys about the kitchen. So this room right here is actually going to be our bedroom. So we sacrificed the larger master bedroom for this one because we don't really have that type of entertainment space out here. Minus the fact that we're putting a little flat screen TV right there, like a little TV right here, but we don't have enough like couch space in here. So we're going to convert the second bedroom, which is in that hallway to the left, to the right. I'm going to show you what that looks like. It's awesome. So this will be our bedroom to sleep in. And like I said, nothing's done. This one is it's actually a small size bedroom, but you're gonna see what we do. We did get a bed that has undercarriage storage, so it has a pull out drawer, so it has about 4 drawers to pull out. So we have that type of storage, but the only thing about it is we don't have like a lot of space in here and there's no closet. So we're gonna make things work. If the bed goes this way, we'll probably put a dresser over there. And even if the bed goes this way, we'll put the dresser over there and we're able to mount the TV here or mount the TV there, and I'll still be able to do something that I wanted to do so bad, is put like a little chair here with a cushion so that I can actually sit here in the mornings and have my coffee and look at the garden and stuff like that. So I'm weird. Like I would like that. So I like this room. I think it's nice. I feel like if we would have turned this into the office slash entertainment room, it would have been too small. So let me go and show you guys that part after I show you guys the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. I got the island from IKEA, and it's actually on sale now. It's discontinued, so they have it for a great price. I hope I don't fall. So I got this island from IKEA and my honey put it together. This was originally $400. It's on sale now for $239 from IKEA. Love the black and then the silver, which goes so nice with the actual structure of the backsplash and all that kind of stuff. They gave us, we got brand new stoves. This is a brand new part, brand new stove and all that kind of stuff. I love the ventilation system they have here. Very nice. The backdrop is actually really what sold me. I love this backdrop. Very nice. It does have counter space, has your drawers. I just need to get the organizers for the drawers. Just trying to put everything in here for now. But I do need to get the organizers. I need to get 3 organizers and yeah. So we have our basic stuff here. I do want to put this here from IKEA and we're gonna put a flat screen TV up there, and Pablo of course has his little food thing right here. And yeah, so let me move over here, show you guys this system. So this is where the sink is at. I'm actually gonna go to IKEA and pick up some stuff later in like an hour or two. So I need to get one of those drying racks, those sink drying racks, so that once I'm done, actually, washing the dishes, I can actually just dry the stuff right here. It does have a plug-in system. I'll probably put like a blender and then like a paper towel rack somewhere over here too. This is the I kind of designed this a little bit. Here goes my best friend. Here, I got another one. I just put like the common glasses, wine glasses, maybe like an orange juice glass, a beer glass, and then my mimosa and sangria pitchers. You guys know I like to host. I like to have like little events at my house, so this will be an eventful place. All the dining and stuff is from IKEA. Everything is from IKEA, very inexpensive, so everything is set up. I did get 4 more glasses, little wine glasses there too, some regular plates and stuff like that. These right here will probably get used less frequently, these and these up here. But I'll probably use these more often because these were the 79 cents. Well, IKEA has so many good deals. These were 79 cents. So yeah, we do have a great fridge, brand new fridge. It's really nice. You open it. It does have the side parts and it also has this part. Is that a wine rack? No, that's not. What is that? Whatever. Like I said, when I actually do an furnished apartment tour, I'll even show you guys a fridge with all the food and junk and stuff. This is the rug that we're going to put in the room once the bed is done. It's furry, it's white, it's soft AF. We do have a garbage here. That's a nice little garbage. So now as far as the other stuff, storage, I put stuff up here. Gotta have your paper plates, forks, cups, napkins, and like these nice kind of designer style straws from IKEA. I absolutely love stuff like this. So I leave this up here for people when they come over. I don't need people dirtying up my plates. That's just not happening. So they'll be using paper. So now we're gonna head off to the second part. So I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the difference. So you guys can see what I mean. So you walk through here. Once everything's cleaned up, you'll see you have this zone here. You have this turn, and this kind of divides the apartment a little, this area. So you can either go right to the right, or you can actually go this way to the left, and you're not hitting anything when you're walking through. You're just going through. It might be a little tight with the chairs, but I'll arrange that later. But once all this stuff has disappeared out of my face, you guys will see how nicely spaced this is, how nicely spaced out it is basically. So moving over to the left, we have a nice bathroom. So it's the same concept as the first one, same structure, same everything. I did put in some extra organization things and things like that. I got this from the Goodwill about 4 years ago for like $2. Isn't that great? So it's the same concept here. They did the exact same structure with the sink and the vanity. And I want to show you guys these lights. Look at how cool these lights are. These are so cool. Let me show you guys the lights in the bathroom before we skate off to the next spot. Not bathroom, the kitchen. These lights are dope. Like, look at that. And then you can see that aluminum paneling on the top. Really, really nice. It gives the apartment such a cool, eclectic or modern feel, which let me tell you something, as soon as I saw, and it's funny, as soon as me and my boyfriend saw it, he was like, yep, this is it. So this is the hallway leading off of the second bathroom. So you guys can see it's a long hallway. So expect to see a lot of shoots, like clothing try-on hauls and like pictures taken mostly in this hallway right here. So it's a huge blank stadium, and we do have like this little pathway right here. So what I was thinking about for this place right here is to add one of those storage ottomans that you can actually sit down on and like put stuff underneath. I thought that would be cool. I do have some stuff from my old house. that this is a painting my boyfriend did. This was our first date ever. This is the first time we went on a date, like first time I ever hung out with this guy. And this is the painting he gave me, we made. And I have some other stuff in here too. So yeah, so this is the office slash entertainment center. Obviously, entertainment center is non-existent right now, but it will get put up soon. My boyfriend's gonna work on it tonight. But this is basically the office area. You guys can see my desk has been completed. Of course, the queen got her stuff done first. So over here I have just like your basic stuff, like we have 6 floating shelves that we're putting in here, so the floating shelves will get put in later. So I'm going to design the floating shelves according to what I want. I did get some cool little details. You guys know I love gold accents, so I got some gold accents and stuff like that. Great pieces right here. This is the chair. So this chair was originally it was originally $150. I got this chair for $99 at IKEA last weekend. IKEA is having some cut down prices, so definitely check them out. I got this one from the one in Brooklyn. I forgot where the location's at. I also got the rug from them as well too, and the desk. So everything is basically IKEA. So this looks really good together. I thought this was a nice little thing. I will put my YouTube plaque up here. My computer will go here. And a lot of the stuff, I do have like, I'm probably going to get like a little organized. Oh, I do. I have like a little bin that's going to go right here so I can, you know, also film my makeup tutorials and stuff like this. Not on this desk, but in another pull-out desk. My boyfriend's desk is going to actually go there. My boyfriend actually used to blog before I met him, so he's really into stuff like that. So he wants to work on that kind of stuff again, so he's going to work on that. This is his chair. And yeah, so we do have the control centers in every room so you can control the AC, heat, and all that kind of stuff. There is a closet in here. It's a double closet door. I'll show you guys what it is, but I can't really pull it open because this damn rug is in the way. But this is another closet. I did put some stuff in here, nothing major, but yeah. So this is a closet right here. Very good. Now this area is where I'm probably going to work on tonight is the entertainment center. So this sofa was delivered to me today from Bob's Furniture. I'll link down below what the name of this couch is. It's a love seat. It's 2-seater. It's 72 inches. It came with the gray pillows, but I did get these accent pillows from IKEA. I got the pillow and then the covers. It's striped on one side, and then it's also this kind of frilled little design. I only got that design because the couch has like a little bit of a gray, dark gray kind of mix to it. So I want to mix the patterns but kind of keep the colors similar. So if you catch my drift. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. This rug is super soft. Like I can lay on it. Like it's so nice. So the TV will kind of go just right about here. Entertainment center, so it comes with like the cubicles and all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna try to work on that tonight because the cable company will be here tomorrow to install our cable. So yeah, so that's yeah, guys, what do you guys think? Like, I'm thinking this is coming out pretty decent. My Brooklyn pad, like, I think this is pretty nice. Yeah, I'm really into this. So that basically wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my unfurnished apartment tour. When it does get furnished, I will come back and show you guys the second video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thank you guys for all the support and love. None of this would happen if it wasn't for you guys. And I want to say thank you to everyone. And I will catch you guys later. Bye.